Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top new collection FNIRSI DMT 99 Digital Multimeter Review 2025.
Number 4.
DMT 99 is FNIRSI's newly launched 10,000 count intelligent digital multimeter with a wider measurement range and higher resolution, helping you measure more accurate values. It can accurately measure AC, DC voltage, AC, DC current, 1OA current, and can also be used to test conductivity, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, temperature, NCV, live wire, etc.
Number 3.
FNIRSI DMC100DC, AC current clamp meter. The FNIRSI DMC-100 is a versatile digital clamp meter designed for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts. It accurately measures AC, DC currents up to 6 OA and voltages up to 750 volts. Additional functionalities encompass data curve display, data storage, and multiple measurement modes, making it an essential tool for various electrical diagnostics and maintenance tasks.
Number 2.
Description: BSI DEV30 New Generation Digital Multimeter Plus Infrared Temperature Dual Power Supply System Smart Tester 20,000 counts DC 1,500 volts AC 750 volts voltage current 0. 1U10 UV High Precision True RMS USB Charge Multi-Tester. This meter is an intelligent True RMS digital multimeter. It have intelligent and professional measurement functions. Full function with geared display, analog bar multiple display. It is the best choice for professional electrician, engineer, electronic enthusiast, or family use.
Number 1.
Amperimetric Mount 01 Smart Digital Multimeter. The Amperimetric MT01 is a compact, smart digital multimeter designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It offers 2,000 count readings and measures AC, DC voltages up to 600 volts with high accuracy. Equipped with non-contact voltage and CV detection and live wire testing, it ensures safety during electrical diagnostics. Its user-friendly interface and durable design make it an essential tool for various electrical tasks.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.